Hi, I'm Intro. In this video, we're going to talk about what is an event emitter in Node.js. Event emitter is a class that helps us to create publisher-subscriber pattern in Node.js. With an event emitter, we can simply raise a new event from a different part of an application, and a listener will listen to the raised event and have some action performed for the event. To create an event emitter, we need to create an instance of the event emitter from the events module in Node.js. The event emitter class comes with a lot of member functions. We'll be using these member functions to publish events and listen to them. One of these functions are on and emit functions. To publish an event, we use emit function, and to listen an event, we use the on function. So let's get into one of the example to demonstrate this. In event emitters, we publish and listen to the events by name. In the last code snippet, we created an event emitter object. We use the following code to raise an event and listen to them. From looking at this code, we can see that the event is created with on function and the event is publishing with emit function. We should maintain a single event emitter instance application wide. In other words, the on and emit functions must be called on the same event emitter instance. Let us understand how this works. By looking at this code, we can understand that our event emitter is registered with event emitter 1 and it is published with event emitter 2. This won't print anything in the console as there were two separate instances used in this code. One instance for registering the publisher and the other instance for listening to the event. Now the question is it synchronous or asynchronous? The events raised by event emitters are synchronously executed by the listeners in the current event loops iteration. How and where Node.js internally use event emitters? Node.js internally use event emitters widely across its environment. The first example we can think of is streams. Streams extend event emitters. Streams are built on top of the event emitters that raise predefined events like open, end, and data, etc. The following code snippet is an example of stream explaining the resemblance with event emitters. By looking at this code sample, we can see that we created a read stream by reading data.txt file, the data.txt file containing hello world, and we registered an event with open as a parameter and consoling logging started reading. And after that, we created another event with end as a parameter and console logging complete reading. And lastly, we registered an event with data and chunk as an input, and we are just console logging the stream of data. By running this, we can see that started reading statement will appear first and the chunk of data which reading from the data.txt file will appear next, and before closing the read stream, complete reading will appear next because it has end as a parameter, which means that just before closing the read stream, it will print whatever inside this function. If you have made this far, please make sure to give it a like and do comment and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.